Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'll be guiding you through how to mute voiceovers in Epic 7 game. If you want to play quietly or just enjoy the music without character voice, then first of all, open up your Epic 7 application on your device. From the main lobby, tap on the menu button in blue at the top right corner. In the expanded menu that pops up, tap on the gear button. Now you'll end up in the settings interface. Simply go ahead and tap on the sound option on the left hand side menu at the top. Now, you will see the voiceovers option at the bottom. To mute the voiceover, go ahead and tap on the speaker button on the left hand side of the voiceover option. Make sure that you've muted the speaker right next to voiceovers, and then once you do that, all in-game voiceovers will now be muted. But if you have turned on any other sounds like music and effects, they will remain on. So that is how you easily mute voiceovers in Epic 7. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Epic 7 tutorial. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.